First, add a blue background. Then add your text. You can change the font to your liking. Then go to Shadow. Then adjust like I did. Then export. Then add your clip. Then remove background. Then copy the clip and overlay. Then on the first clip, cancel remove background. Then overlay the exported clip. Then go to Chrome key intensity and shadow 100. Then layer to 1. Then go to Splice Overlay.
If you find this video useful, like, subscribe, then switch on the notification for more tutorial and comment any tutorial you want me to do.